while I was at the garden center, I also decided to buy some indoor plants uh, because this one, which is doesn't even say what it is. Anyway, this one died. I'm not even sure what it is. So I bought this other one, um, which was about it was about $16. It's a bit expensive, and it's called Ficus Danielle. 3 liters. So I'm hoping that it would do better than this other one, which God knows what happened. I also bought this other plant, indoor plant, which is this one, and it is called Azucena. I guess it's the Spanish name for it. It was about $7, and supposedly it's indoor, but it's not very clear.